Hi, a famous quote credited to Michael Jordan. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. The statistics prove, study after study, that high-performing teams are more productive than individuals. Fact, over 99% of team members prefer a workplace where people identify and discuss truthfully and effectively. Yeah, this is a no-brainer, but is it practiced in all organizations? Additionally, organizations that communicate effectively are 4.5 times more likely to retain their best talent. The research shows that 33% of employees indicate that a lack of open, honest communication has the most impact on employee morale. Yes, that is 1 in 3. Whereas, over 1/3 state that working with a great team is their primary reason to stay no matter the challenge. Furthermore, top-performing businesses require that 2 conditions are present in each organization. First, there must be a unifying mission, and second, the members of the team must trust each other. In order to create trust, the organization must first establish interdependent relationships. To establish these relationships, teams must first develop trust with each other. In order to build trust, individuals must become vulnerable with each other. As Mark Manson had wrote, and we quote here, "The key to true vulnerability is that you are willing to accept the consequences no matter what." End quote. Your organization acknowledges that vulnerability requires one to take a risk and is listening to the research and outcomes that S.M.A.R.T shows successful business relationships are worth the risk. So what is step 1 in establishing trust with each other? To build trust, each individual must become vulnerable with each other. Your organization is going to activate step 1 by asking you to attend a S.M.A.R.T C.A.R.E.s workshop where your organization is creating opportunities for your individual growth through engagement that leads to increased collaboration, cohesiveness, and productivity. Your organization acknowledges that vulnerability is a sign of strength, as it promotes teamwork rather than individual dominance. During this workshop, you will learn about the knowledge, skills, and abilities, otherwise known as KSAs, of the C.A.R.E.s solution, and how your individual role plays in the team's transformation to a culture of success of your organization. We look forward to seeing you soon.